English conversation for you. Worrying about the future.
I saw Tom at the library yesterday afternoon.
He is a really hard-working student.
Yes, he is very focused.
I think he was studying for his finals.
There are so many exams coming up this month.
It's stressful, isn't it?
Definitely. I feel the pressure every day.
The future is so uncertain. It makes me nervous.
We will figure it out, though. We always do. This cafe is our usual spot.
It's cozy here.
There is a nice atmosphere. I like it.
I ordered a latte and a sandwich this morning. I was starving.
Coffee is my fuel. I need it every day.
Same here. But sometimes I worry about what's next after graduation.
The job market is tough right now. It's concerning.
There are opportunities out there, but finding the right one is hard.
It's true. We are all in the same boat.
We should stay positive. Things will work out in time.
There is always hope. We can't give up.
Here comes the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to practice English daily. Watch and listen to the video more than 3 times. Try to create a storyline with your own sentences. Start studying English sentence structures and grammar. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.